Google Workspace is a comprehensive suite of business applications and collaborative tools designed to accommodate businesses of all sizes. Here's how to set it up. Hello guys and welcome. Google Workspace is a highly popular email service for establishing professional businesses' email accounts for your entire team. This means your organization can transition from using unprofessional email addresses ending in @gmail or @yahoo.com to personalized and custom email addresses using your own business domain. To begin with Google Workspace, go to the top right-hand corner of your browser and click Start Free Trial. Google Workspace offers a 14-day free trial to help you set up your Google Workspace account and determine if it's suitable for your organization. After clicking, provide your first name and last name and then proceed. Enter the business email you currently use, followed by a few more steps to define the size of your team. Next, Google Workspace will inquire about your preferred domain name for your account. You can choose an existing domain name if you already have one, or opt to purchase a new domain through Google Domains if you haven't one yet. After selecting your domain, we'll create your first professional business email. You can choose your name or other aliases associated with the business, like sales or representative or management or whatever you'd like. You'll have the option to add more email aliases in a subsequent step. You can complete the process by adding a password, verifying that you're not a robot, and then confirming the user details. You can also opt to share that information of usage with Google. Once you're ready, click Create Account and continue to checkout. When prompted, add your payment details. But remember, you're on a 14-day trial, so you can cancel before the trial period ends to avoid any charges. Google Workspace will probably need to verify the ownership of your domain, so follow those prompts to complete the process. You can create additional user accounts to set up Gmail for your domain. Please know that it may take up to 60 minutes for your email to be active. Once activated, you can access your admin panel through the admin.google.com to manage your Google Workspace account. Once that is done, for billing setup, navigate to Setup Billing. If you decide to downgrade or switch to a different plan, you can do so in the admin panel under Subscriptions. The main differences between these paid plans are storage and user capacity. Just in case you want to add additional users, which may be the case for your business, you can go to Directory and select Users. And that is all you need to know to set up Google Workspace for your organization and create professional businesses' email accounts. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit our affiliate links. Take care.